In our business, great feedback is the best reward. We work hard to make sure everyone has a first-class experience with us, and we appreciate the recognition when someone takes the time to send an online review like this one. As you can see, we not only take the time to meet everyone's needs, we go that extra distance because we really do care. And it's great to see that we're making a huge difference every day. Find out why everyone values their experience with us so much. They keep coming back over and over again. We're proud to say we've earned our glowing reviews one at a time. We want to thank you for checking us out today. You can contact us at the number on your screen. We hope to hear from you soon.